Where do I even start? There's too much competition. I feel like all I'm receiving are no's or I'm not interested. I know, it's tough. Finding clients online is difficult, especially in this social selling era, let alone finding high-paying clients. If you are a business owner, you're in the B2B space, or you're in a lead generation role, and you're looking to implement a multi-channel marketing approach, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to talk through a 3-step process that you can start using straight away to start finding high-paying clients. The trick is to know exactly who you're looking for and then have a plan in place once you have found them. Step 1, prospecting. So once you have a clear idea of who exactly it is you're looking for, you need to have a way, a platform, a system to be able to collect all of that information and push it to your CRM or to the next part of your sales process. Right now, I'm using a pretty cool prospecting tool called Natasha, which instantly gives me access to over 100 million prospects directly. And the best part, which is most relevant for this video, is the high level of accuracy when it comes to their data, so email addresses and phone numbers of these prospects. Step 2 is to create your lead list. So for this example, I'm going to just run you through a search that I would want to build in terms of my ideal prospects. If we take a look on the screen, we've got people and then we've also got companies. For this example, I'm going to use people. We can search a specific company if we want to. So we could put in like Microsoft, Google, like whatever company you want to put here. I'm not going to do that for now. I'm not going to do the headquarters. I'm going to go straight for industry. So let's say that we want to do financial services. I'm going to put that in here and include it. For employee headcount, I'm going to say that I'm looking for companies that have a headcount of 100 to 250. Let's skip revenue for now. Actually, no, let's put in minimum. Let's say 5 mil revenue minimum, apply this, and then we'll see how many results we're getting up here on the right hand side. So currently we've got 54,000 people. I'm going to carry on going down here. Contact types. So you can actually filter through phone or email here, depending on what kind of follow-up process you have in place with your prospects. This is going to depend on what you want to find in Natasha. So maybe you're going to be doing a cold email campaign, also have a touch with a cold call or a warm call, or maybe you're just looking to do one or the other. So say, for example, I'm currently just looking for emails. I just want to select email. That's what I want the contact detail to have. And then contact location, let's go for the United States. So US, and then department, I want to go for sales. And then I want the directors. So I want the sales directors within companies that are generating 5 million plus, and the employee headcount of the company is 100 to 250 within the financial services industry. And you can see in the top right, we've actually got 260 people here. I'm not going to click show details for any of these, just I don't want to expose people's personal information. One quick thing I would recommend doing, which a lot of people skip with this step, is take a scroll down the search results that you get and see if everybody is matching your ideal avatar. If you get a few people that have maybe a title that you don't want, what you can do is go into job title and say, I don't want, I want most of these people. Let's just say, for example, I don't want national sales director. So I can do, if I can spell that right, national sales director here. And then I can actually click exclude, and then it will remove everybody from the list who has that title, sorry. So it takes down the amount of people I have by a meaningful amount, but this just helps you refine your list. So, even before this, just be really sure of who you're looking for and who you don't want, and it's gonna make your life so much easier when it comes to prospecting. So step number 3 is to integrate and activate. When it comes to integrations, Natasha has a bunch from Zoho, Pipedrive, Salesforce, HubSpot, loads of others. I'll just throw them up on the screen. So depending on whatever CRM you're using, most likely you can do a one-click integration. What we're gonna do here is I'm gonna say, for example, save these 25 people. So to be able to save them to a lead list, I need to click show details. Then wait for that to work. And then I can either export them to a CSV. So say, for example, you're working on a spreadsheet, you could export all of this information directly into a CSV and work like that. If we want to save them to a list, I can save them in Lucia or any of these options. So we've got Salesforce, Outreach, HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesloft, and Bullhorn if you're doing like recruitment stuff. So I'm going to say Lucia for now, and then list, I'm going to create a new list. I'm going to call it, let's say Q3 Financial Services. Can I not do this? Q3 Financial Services US. Create and save. And that's going to create a new lead list with the 25 contacts that I have selected. And then once it's done that, it will show you that your contacts have been saved, come up with this pop-up, and we just click I'm done. And then it's literally as simple as that. Next part is activate. So now you have all of this data, what's the next step? You've got so many different options here. So whether you want to push them through a cold email campaign, whether you want to pick up the phone and give them a call, whether you want to do a combination of those two things, there are a lot of different approaches you can take, which I do speak a lot about in some of my other videos. But yeah, that's everything for today's video. I hope you found it extremely useful, and Lucia has been kind enough to sponsor this video and provide me with a special link which is going to give you guys 25 free credits when you sign up for a trial today. So to grab that and check out this 3-step strategy that I've outlined, go to the description and you'll find the link, and I'll see you guys in the next video.